Hello my dear viewers, good day. How are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadulio, a teacher whose passion is to do some video tutorials, product reviews, and today I will be sharing with you my fashion in baking. And since tomorrow is my husband's birthday, I will be making a birthday chocolate cupcake. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and please, if you like this video, please also click the like button so as the notification for more videos in the future. Okay, first we have to measure our dry ingredients. So we need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. One cup and 1.5. Okay, 1.5. We can also add the same amount of sugar, 1.5 cup of sugar also. So that will not be okay. And another half of sugar. Okay, 1.5 sugar. We need 3/4 cup of cocoa powder or cocoa powder. By the way, I'm just using Potraco premium cocoa powder. If you want to have more or tastier cupcake, you can use Hershey or Goya chocolate or cocoa powder. So me, I will just use an ordinary cocoa powder, but it's still very delicious. Okay, we also need to sift this one so that we can remove the lumps. Okay. So this 1/2. Now we need or 1/4. So this is our 1/4. We need 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda. So this is my baking soda. So we need 1 teaspoon, 1.5. Okay, that's baking soda then. We also need 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 3/4 teaspoons. I'm using calamine powder, double acting baking powder. Since only need 3/4, okay, that's it. Barley 1/2, and then we have to combine all this. I'll make sure that it's very, make sure that it is combined very well. Okay, then we have to set this aside. Okay, now for the liquid ingredients, we need to combine 2 eggs. Two eggs, 3/4 cup of buttermilk. If you do not have buttermilk, just like here in Katbalogan, what I did, I just added 3/4 of tablespoon of white vinegar to make a buttermilk. So that's added here. Vegetable oil, you can use any oil. So 1/4. Okay. Okay, then let's combine all this. And we can now combine this one to our dry ingredients. So we can make here a hole. You can use either electric mixer or this one. But if you will use electric mixer, make sure that you will not overdo the mixing. So I make a hole. Okay, let's now combine this one. It's all this. It's quite very sticky, but later on we will add 3/4 cup of hot water with coffee. You can use hot water if you do not want to add coffee. So once it is incorporated, you can already add the hot water. Okay, so the butter will now be thinner. Okay, then we can now place this one in the pan. Okay, let us now put our butter in the pan. So this is my design, parang Valentine's. Let's see how many pieces we can make. Yung mga collection ko nito, may mga heart. This one. Let's bake this one for 15 to 17 minutes. After 15 minutes, ito na siya. Mainit-init pa. So, ito na. Okay. Charan! For our icing, gagamit po tayo ng Frosty whip. So, madali lang ito because just add some cold water. So, I will be using 200 grams of this. Okay, then let's measure 200 grams. Sobrang. So since we will use 200 grams of our Frosty whip, gagamit tayo ng 200 ml of water. Okay, so our 200 ml of water. So we will not combine instantly. Okay, one more. Creamy delicious. Okay. Andito na yung cupcake natin. So let's start decorating. So gagamit tayo nito. I'll still cut some more. Ito siya. Okay. There. Saka tayo ng this. So, this icing is good kung ilalagay ka agad sa refrigerator. Pero kung may mag-order sa'yo at dadalhin sa ibang lugar, malayong lugar, so it's not that good. Okay. Let's try this one. Yucks. Okay. Okay. What else? Na-close yata. Lagyan natin ng okay. Then Charan! So, I think isa pang tip. Let's try this one. Na tip. Open star. Hindi pa yan tapos. Lalagyan pa natin ng cocoa syrup para mas malasa siya. Kasi yung ginamit kong cocoa powder is just an ordinary one. So, I think it's sa ano na lang tayo, sa icing na lang tayo babawi. Lalagyan natin ng Goya choco syrup.
Come on!
Ito ang open. So, ganda yata ito. Yes. Oh! Ito naman, ibahin natin. Okay. Bakit hindi center? Okay, Jaran. Center to. Okay. Sa gitna. Ito lang butas. Oh my. So, parang. Sana. Pero ginamit ko dito yung Goya. This one. Pwede na siya, hindi lang ito na center. Medyo, hindi ko yata na center. Ano? Cocoa powder. Okay, yan na siya. Pwede nang tikman. Very good. Very good self. Ayan, lalagay ko pa yan. Ayan na siya. We have jelly. Sige nga, you taste our cupcake. Kuha ng isa.
Can I pick this?
Ako, kukuha din isa. Sarap. Sarap siya. Hindi pa birthday, ubos na. Ulit na lang. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification button for more of my videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.